Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So I make this update because I didn't do any update during the weekend, so I make this one just before market open. So we're going to discuss AMC GME and what is happening in the global market because we have some good signs for the first time. So it's not good enough to say we are bullish, but we have some good signs. So listen till the end of the video. Let's get into it. All right, I'll start with AMC. Daily time frame. Bam, bam, bam. So the situation was that we were having this oversold RSI. We're having this hammer candle, reversal pattern. This got followed by a move up. And I told you guys that the resistance area was first this trend line that was previous support becoming resistance. It's not a usual way to use trend lines, but it's very accepted as long as you see it's acting as resistance when you come back to it. Here we got rejected, here again. So here we broke out, and after the breakout we went to the next one, this one. All right, so right now then on Friday, minus 8%, brutal move down. As on the rest of the market, bam, bam, bam. No, actually, the rest of the market was not that bad in the end. We're going to analyze that. But so here, what happened? You can see what is happening. We are now stuck in this channel, logarithmic time frame for those who want to do it. Use the 20-day moving average that is here. So the trend line must be very close to it so that it makes the level, the area better. To make it a resistance area. So bam, bam, bam. Right now, as you can see, we got rejected here, found support here, guys. So once again, these trend lines have not been touched, and you can see how well they are guiding traders to buy and sell. All right. So what can I say? So this is still going to be the case, guys, for those who want to grab some shares. Once again, we're not out of trouble. We might go lower, but we have some good signs. I'm going to show you that. You can just use this, right? This trend line connect April 11th with May 13th, okay? You connect those 2 points, you're going to have this trend line logarithmic scale. And here, it's going to act as support if we go lower. Then, on the way up, if we break out here, same thing with volume increase. As you can see, the volume is low, so that's good. We can have another higher volume that will trigger some algorithms, some traders. So if we break out above 13.5 today, tomorrow, then we're gonna need to adjust a little bit. It's gonna be bullish, and we might have a nice move up. So this is the situation. Let me do GME and stay with me until I finish QQQ, guys, because once again, AMC will not rally without relief on the rest of the market. So GME is again, as usual, guys, doing this, sideways consolidation as it likes to do. We have one more, all right? So this is a typical GME, I would say, pattern, okay? It can last from 2 weeks to 1 week, 1 or 2 weeks usually. So here are the trend lines. Let me add that. Okay, very clear, guys. 90 is support, and the resistance is even a bit lower. We have a resistance at 102, roughly. And then we have another one that is on the medium term. This is short term, and on the medium term, it's rather 105. Why 105? Because we had here 3 reactions. Yeah, the 105 is not a very strong level. It's more an area. Yes, here you can see one support. Here, I mean, it's not that strong, let's be honest, but it's still another resistance that we have just above. But the short-term resistance is 102. So basically, you can consider that if we close above 102 with volume increase, we're probably gonna keep going higher. On the way down, as you can see on AMC, we have this downward sloping trend line that is going lower, so the support is decreasing, which is good if you want to buy, because you're gonna buy lower if the time is passing. GME, you're going to buy the same level. So it shows that GME has stronger technicals than AMC, to me, as it was before, guys. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Down, 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 right? That's the situation for now. Bears are stronger on AMC, but whatever. Bam, bam, bam. Whenever we're going to bounce, it's going to bounce stronger on AMC. I believe that. So here, yeah, I'm pretty much done, guys. This is the situation. Now stay with me. I know you guys like AMC and GME, but you need to see that. All right, so Triple Q. I posted an alert this morning in my Discord. It's not really an alert, it's more a situation, and I was explaining that, so we reached the 281 level. I had this level, guys, for 1 month and a half, okay? It has been hit perfectly. I took profit here yesterday on Friday, a little bit higher. I took profit at 59 on SQQQ, so roughly around where we are right now, all right? So not here. I took profit roughly here, all right, at 288. I took profit because I had a very decent short position and I made very good profits. So, you know, whenever you make profits, you just sometimes, even if you think you can make more, you take profits, all right? So that's what I did on Friday. I'm ready to reload because there is still an ugly scenario where we go much lower. So be careful, guys. It's not the time to buy the dip on stocks. I got some questions about Tesla, for example. I wouldn't buy Tesla before 550. I'm not going to show the chart, but just a number I wanted to give you. So here, what the good news is that for the first time, we had a brutal move down the past 4 days, all right, minus 5%, guys. And yesterday we did minus 3.5, minus 4%, all right. And okay, 3 during at the worst of the day. So usually those days that trade, you know, that are very big moves, you have an increase in volume. Look at that, guys, minus 5% on very low volume. That's good news. It means that, you know, bears are taking ground, not because they're stronger than buyers. It's just because, you know, buyers are just waiting. So it's not a clean victory of bears. That shows to me that bears are starting to get, you know, out of steam. It's a little bit like a bullish divergence, but not on the momentum, but on the volume. Whenever you have a move that is happening on decreasing volume, it shows that, you know, you can see the volume like the ammunition. So it's kind of like in a war, one camp is out of ammunition. So this is good news to me. That's the only good thing I can see, because otherwise bears are in full control, of course, but this is an early sign of reversal. We don't have the bullish divergence yet. I'm sure we have it on the 4 hours time frame, though. Yeah, not surprised, because you can see we go lower, but right away we go higher. So this always creates bullish divergences. So on the 4 hours we have a bullish divergence, but let's stay on the daily. On the daily we don't have it, but we have this decreasing volume on the way down. Here the volume was a little bit higher, but much lower than what we have here. So this to me looks a little bit like the end of something, all right? So this is why I'm a little bit more positive than last week. I took profit as well for this reason. When I saw this big volume, this big day on a low volume, I was like, all right, I'm going to start to lock in my profits. And we're going to be out of trouble. Not 100%, of course, but with you can see I increased this probability from 50% to 55%, and I'm going to increase it to 70% if we have this breakout. So we need basically to close above 305, 310, depending on what day it's going to happen. Today 310, in 3 days 305. I don't think we're going to go at 310 today, so let's call it 305. If during the week you see Triple Q closing at 305 or higher, it's very positive, especially if we have a nice green volume when this happens. So guys, pay attention to that and stay with me until, and we have also some good signs of relief on the indicators that we like to keep an eye on. US 10-year yield, you remember guys, 285 was, wow, that's ugly. Okay, let me get rid of all of that, bam, bam, bam. 285 was the level, the breakout level. We are right now at 282, so it's not far. It can be some excess, but it's good to see the yields, you know, just coming lower. I'm not going to explain again why it's good, but it's good, all right? And also DXY, I'm not going to explain again. I did it 10 times. If you want, just watch the videos I did 1-2 weeks ago. I'm explaining that in all my videos at the end when I discuss these indicators. And DXY below than 103. So less tension on the dollar market. So we have lower volume on the way down. We have the DXY below 103. We have US 10-year yield below 285. and we just need another signal like a breakout or a strong candlestick pattern. So let's wait for it, and if this happens, guys, great things might happen on AMC and GME. So we're gonna monitor all of that. GME needs to close above 102. AMC needs to close about 13.5. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.